Look at these 3 sandwiches. We have a pizza wrap, a ciabatta tomato burrata sandwiches, and a Muffaletta inspired big sandwiches on focaccia bread. Hi, my name is Mel, and I'm gonna show you how to make those 3 amazing sandwiches. We're gonna start with the Muffaletta. I have a hard time saying this. The Muffaletta inspired sandwich. It is inspired because I do not like cauliflower, nor do I like olives. The Muffaletta sandwich requires a olive and cauliflower and pepper kind of mixture as the sauce. So instead of mayo or anything, it's what you put. But I do not like this. And then you put some kind of Italian meat and a shit ton of cheese. I'm gonna show you what I did to make something that was inspired from this. So first thing first, I decided to use a focaccia bread because I thought it was the best way to do these sandwiches since it was big and packed with flavor already. So I cut the focaccia in the size I wanted to do my sandwich, and then I cut it in half to be able to add the sandwich in. And all I did is a pizza sandwich. So we have a pizza team here. I'm gonna put a little bit of pizza sauce, some kind of different salami, so 3 different salami in here, with some provolone cheese, because I know that they use that into the original inspiration for this sandwich, a few slices of tomatoes, lettuce, and I put some garlic sauce on the other side. And that's it. That's the first sandwich. My goal here is mostly to inspire yourself to make this kind of sandwich for you. So it is a pizza sandwich. So some Italian meat, some bread, pizza sauce, cheese, tomato, lettuce, and that's it. That's the sandwich. It's pretty easy. The next one, we have the burrata ciabatta tomato sandwich. So for this, I did a balsamic glaze, which I explained how to do it in my previous recipe. And you'll need some tomato. I grilled some mushroom because I thought it would be really tasty, and it was amazing. I could have put some bacon, but I didn't have any. Added some spinach. We have the mayo, and we have the burrata. I grilled the bread, spread a little bit of mayo to make like a BLT sandwich. So mayo, a little bit of spinach, the mushroom that are grilled. I'm not going to show you how to grill the mushroom because obviously you grill them to your liking. A few slices of tomatoes, and then the burrata. The burrata is 2 kind of mozzarella cheese, but a different stage, I think, if I'm right. So you have the shell outside that is a little bit thicker, and inside it's still mixed. It's like mozzarella curds with crème fraîche, I think. And so it is really delicate for the taste. It is really creamy, it's really rich, and it is really, really good. It was really tasty. It is a little bit more expensive, so you can do whatever you want with this. You don't have to put it, you can just do a tomato sandwich. But the burrata was a nice thing to try, and if you can find some at Costco, I think I've got 2 for like $12, which was really cheap compared to the grocery store. And then I topped this with some balsamic glaze, which was too runny. As I explained in my last video, I had to cook it again after doing it last time because it was too runny. You just have to cook it until it is the texture of your liking. And that's it for this recipe. Look at this. It was so fucking tasty. I want to make more now, but I don't have any burrata. I want some. Last but not least, we have the pizza sandwich. This was really good. It's a pizza wrap. All you need to do is to take a pita, add some pizza sauce on it, add the pizza topping that you prefer with some mozzarella cheese or any cheese you like on your pizza. It could even be Tex-Mex cheese. I put some salami and some pepperoni, some onion, pepper, and some spinach for some green. Rolled it up as best as I could. It was not easy. I'm bad at rolling things, okay? I never rolled my things like this, but I wanted to put it into the panini maker so that it could grill, okay? And it did grill, but I struggled, okay? Don't ask questions. So I put that in here and I cooked it until it was toasted and the cheese was melty. And this is the result we have. Look at this. It is all toasted. It is pretty. And when you cut it, cheese didn't string because my cheese was frozen at the beginning, so it was still cold, unfortunately. I didn't cook it enough, but please make sure to cook it longer than I did, so you'll have some stringy cheese and it will be delicious. I did this recipe a few times and I've never gotten to stringy cheese, so I kept this footage because it was better than no recipe at all. But those are today's recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I sure did enjoy those sandwiches. It was a lot of fun to make and try and tempt and fail and succeed. And yeah, so this is all for today. I don't have anything else to say, so I'll leave you guys go do your thing, watch other small YouTubers and small streamers, and go follow some people on Instagram that have less than 1 million followers. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye!